Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between the MP3 mode and Bluetooth mode. You need to find this multifunctional button right here, and once your headphones are turned on, tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see here, we've got AI generated music, I think. And actually this is our MP3 mode. To switch back again to the Bluetooth mode, click again 3 times this multifunctional circular button in the middle. 1, 2, 3. You should hear communicate that, your headphones should communicate that you have switched to Bluetooth. That's it. Bye.